Want to give your Vivo phone a fresh new look without changing your wallpaper? One of the easiest ways is by changing the font style. In this video, I'll show you how to change the font style on your Vivo X300 Ultra, X300 Pro, X300, and X300 FE in just a few simple steps. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Display Brightness and Eye Protection, where display and brightness depends. Then look for Font, Font Style, or Fonts, depending on your software version. Tap Font Style to open the font library. You can see Default, Vivo Sans, and Classic font options. Choose Vivo Font from the default list and tap Apply button. Tap More Fonts in the bottom middle. You'll see a variety of built-in fonts here. Download additional fonts from Vivo's theme store. Your phone will instantly update the font across the system, including home screen app name, settings, system menus, etc. It's a quick way to give your phone a completely different look. Adjust font size and display size in Vivo. If the text feels too small or too large, go back to Display, Brightness, and Eye Protection. Tap Font Size and wait. Use the sliders to make text easier to read or fit more content on the screen. Enable bold text to Vivo phone. Tap Display Size. Move the slider to zoom in or out on icons, images, or text in your Vivo device. The changes take effect immediately, so you can find the size that's most comfortable for you. If you'd like to customize your app icons, lock screen, always on display, or full screen gestures, we've already created step-by-step tutorials for those. Check the links in the description or tap the I button to watch them. And that's how you can change the font style on your Vivo X300 Ultra, X300 Pro, X300, and X300 FE. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.